This was my biggest fear of owning a Tesla. This is a brand new off the factory floor 2021 Model Y. And this is actually the install that I needed to do. This was the one thing that was keeping me away from owning a Tesla for years, is because I didn't know how much this was gonna cost, how expensive it was gonna be, and how hard it was gonna be to install, especially with an outdoor car lot. Now, I am moving into a new place that has an indoor garage, but I was terrified that, I don't know, it's just some type of weird limiting belief that this right here was $800. $800. And look how easy it is to install. Ready? You click that, it opens up automatically. Now, I hired someone who lives here in Nashville, Tennessee, who was able to install this for a very, very reasonable price. This comes with the car. This cord comes with the car. Everything actually comes with the car. Now you can get an adapter for this right here that plugs into this, right? So this particular piece right here, you get an adapter to it and you can plug it into any socket really in the US, and it charges at 4 miles an hour. This charges at about 14 miles an hour. So check it out. Boom, plugs in, and you can see it's starting to charge on the inside, right? The inside there. If you can't, I'll open it up. And this is actually almost already fully charged. Time remaining 1 hour and 10 minutes to get a little bit more charge left if I need to. Again, I don't have to, but in essence, that's as easy as it is. You might be wondering, well, your electric bill is probably through the roof. My electric bill has gone down. I don't know why, but I can tell you this, it's amazing not having to go to a gas station. I don't have to touch the nasty handle. I don't have to get out of my car. When I can drive back and forth all day long, no pollution, I get back to my house, I charge my Tesla, and I go inside, do my normal routine, come out, and the vehicle's fully charged. I can drive around for 3 or 4 days before I have to charge it again. And when I do charge it, I charge it here while I'm sleeping. It's amazing, it's incredible. And if this is your biggest fear, getting and installing one of these, it's usually less than $1,000. It's very easy. You're obviously not gonna do it. You're gonna hire a professional electrician to come out, install it for you. Boom, you plug it into there and you're done. It's that easy, it's simple. Don't be afraid of it. If that was one of your fears for getting a Model Y, Model X, Model S, a Model 3, or a Cybertruck, don't let it be one of your main fears that's holding you back. Do it, it's worth it, and this vehicle will change your life forever. All right, anyway, you guys rock. That's just a quick update.